Kami sa Region 8, lalo na sa Southern Leyte, on behalf of the mayors, no?
I think as a vice president, no, it's uncalled for. No?
And I think it's not decent for anyone to say anything like what she was saying.
Mayroon na kami manifesto na full support kami sa presidente, kay speaker, kasi
Welcome to my channel, AJ13 Vlog. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe. Just click the notification bell and select all para updated kayo sa aking mga live. At sa mga bagong posts ko. Salamat. 45 na matataas na mga opisyal sa Visayas binati ko si VP Sara sa walang ingat, mapaghiting aksyon. Nagsama-sama ang 45 na matataas na mga opisyal ng Eastern Visayas sa pagkondena kay Vice President Sara Duterte kaugnay ng walang ingat at mapaghiting.
That is really diri ko dito maupay. It's not within a Filipino, the personality of a Filipino to do that. So for me, I respect Sara. She's a good friend, but I think it's out of the way. Wala talagang, hindi dapat talaga. Oo. So, in fact, today, kasi na ano lahat na everything na. So, today, a while ago, we presented to Speaker Romualdez a manifesto of all the mayors of the 1st District, to a manifesto of full support for him and for the President and for the First Lady. So, we really wish everyone to as well support our leaders in the country because they're doing everything that they can for all of us. And I think
112.5 na milyong piso confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President, OVP, at Department of Education, DepEd. Ayon sa manifesto, ang hindi makatwirang pag-atake ay isang paghamak hindi lamang sa mga leader kundi maging sa dangal at dignidad ng mga waray na ang ugali ng pagiging matatag, nagsusumikap, at may karangalan ay ipinakikita ni Speaker Romualdez. Kinilala rin ng mga leader si Speaker Romualdez na mayroong mahabang kasaysayan ng pagseserbisyo sa publiko at nakapaghatid ng kaiginhawahan sa buhay ng mga Pilipino at ng pag-unlad sa vulnerabling sektor. Kinundena rin ng mga leader si Duterte sa kawalang respeto nito hindi lamang kay Speaker Romualdez kundi maging kay Pangulong Marcos na mayroon ding dugong waray. Vice President Duterte's unfounded allegations also insult the Romualdez legacy, which extends to President Ferdinand D. Bongbong Marcos Jr., who shares waray blood through his mother, former First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos, sabi sa pahayag. Her reckless tirade strike at the very heart of a region that has overcome countless challenges through hard work, solidarity and trust in capable leadership, sabi pa rito. Kinilala rin ng mga leader ang mga nagawa ni na Speaker Romualdez at Pangulong Marcos na nakapagdala ng makahulugang pagbabago sa bansa. Ang mga naging aksyon umano ni Duterte ay lumagpas sa personal na pag-atake. Her irresponsible statements not only destabilized the unity of the administration but also erode the trust of the Filipino people at a time when cooperation and stability are paramount, saad sa manifesto. Dumipensa ang lahat ng 7 alkalde sa unang distrito ng Leyte para kay Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez at tahasang tinulig sa ang walang basehan at malisyosong akusasyon ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Sa isang manifesto, inilahad ng mga alkalde ng Palo, Alang-alang, San Miguel, Tanawan, Santa Fe, Tolosa, at Babatnon na ang mga paratang ni Duterte ay hindi lamang pag-atake kay Speaker Romualdez kundi sa buong unang distrito ng Leyte. We, the undersigned mayors of the 1st District of Leyte, stand in staunch defense of Leyte 1st District Representative and Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, a leader whose integrity and dedication to public service have been consistently proven throughout his exemplary political career, saad ng manifesto. Representing the 1st District of Leyte, Speaker Romualdez has served his constituents with honor and distinction, unblemished by allegations of corruption or violence, and always placing the welfare of the people above personal interest, sabi pa rito. Lumagda sa manifesto sina Palo Mayor Remedios Petilla, Pangulo ng Leyte Chapter of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines, Mayors Lovell Anyu Castro ng Alang-alang, Norman Sabdao ng San Miguel, Gina Merelo ng Tanawan, Amparo Monteza ng Santa Fe, Erwin Ocana ng Tolosa, at Eleanor Lagnasan ng Babatngon. These accusations are a direct insult to the very citizens whose trust and mandate he has honorably upheld, sabi pa sa manifesto. Binigyang diin sa manifesto ang mga napagtagumpayan ni Romualdez kasama na ang kanyang liderato sa pagpapasa ng mga mahahalang lehislasyon at epektibong paglalaan ng resources.
Of the 1st and 2nd District of Mayors in the province of Samar, please convey this message to the President that we are fully supported sa kanya po at sa inyo lahat, sa inyo rin.